it's me again, Zimba. Today's video, I'm gonna do a what's inside my school bag. So before we started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notification bell to always notify you to my latest video. And don't forget to drop a big thumbs up. So guys, I just finished showering. Nag-vlog ako kagad kasi alam mo, I have a list ng mga vlogs ko. And since na-delay yung mga vlogs ko ng senior season diaries and daily diaries, ngayon, kailangan kong maghabol, kailangan kong mag-vlog. Okay? Kasi tomorrow, I think, if I can, mag-vlog ako tomorrow. The weekend in my life. So, now, kailangan ko matapos to kagad. May edit ko kagad ngayon. And sana, matapos ko kagad siya ngayon. So, yeah guys, so let's get started. So guys, huwag niyo napansin yung mukha ko kasi I don't have a makeup on. Nagkilay lang ako and nag-lip gloss. Yeah. So, huwag niyo napansin yung mukha ko. This is my face without a makeup or any filter. Yeah, I look bad. I know that. So, this is my bag. I bought this in TikTok. I have a cute keychain. It's a pink. So first guys, ito yung loob niya. Yeah, I don't have a lot of notebooks kasi senior high naman namin notebook. Actually, hindi ako nag-binder kasi yung ibang subject teachers namin nag-aano din sila ng notebook kaya hindi lang ako nag-binder. First, this is my pencil. This is my ball pen case. Guys, this is my pencil case. And I have here my highlighter, ball pens, what else? Correction tape. Here, a glue. I have a glue. So next is I have also here a power bank. This is my power bank. What do you call this? I have here a stapler. Yeah, this is my stapler. A hair tali sa buhok. My IDs. Yeah, actually guys, I look bad here. This is my ID. And next, my notebooks. So I have here 4 notebooks. Actually guys, meron pa akong kailangan na notebook eh. And I have a white here, white one. And matte notebook. Sa pen naman. And next here I have a yellow notebook. Next, I have here a big pouch. So let's open it. So, hiiii pouch pala to. This is my perfume and alcohol. Perfume, makeup, wipes, napkins. Yeah, that's all I have here in my hiiii. Actually guys, I need this. It's important na meron tayong dito sa bag. A folder, which is this. I have my files here like activities, homework, something like that. So, kini-carry ko to. Kasi, guys, yeah. Of course, I'm wearing, kasi naka-handbag ako and hindi naman siya fit sa handbag ko. Kaya nagdala ko nito. So, andito lahat ng files ko, lahat ng DLPs, betas, yeah, everything I have here. So, that's all I have here. So, thank you guys for being here. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell to always notify you to my latest video. And don't forget to drop a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Kailangan ko magmadali kasi edit ko pa yung vlog na to. So, I'll see you guys. Bye! Mwah!